Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. Now, to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me is right here, power saving mode. Once you find it, click on it, and that's all it takes. Now, in this mode, things like your mobile data and Wi-Fi will be disabled when you're not using the device. So if you're wondering why you are not receiving any kind of notifications that are internet based, that's basically why. Now, when you wake up the device, it will reconnect and automatically sync up everything that was missing. So anyway, once you're done with this mode, all you need to do to turn it off is, again, click on it once more and this will disable it. And that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.